Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video in which I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. I will keep you posted. Going for some Apple here short at 96.80. My goal is to build a bigger position. So if it goes my way in the short term, meaning a 5% move, I'm not going to make much. But well, it looks like it might not even get up there. So never mind for the time being. I picked up some shares at 38.90 on Twitter, and I'm now looking to sell at 39 even. Let's say I got 400 of those 500 shares. Sorry, I put my order in, then I went over and looked at something on Twitter and came back and I was in. Well, it looks like gotta love the partial fills, but well, at least it wasn't like 10 shares out of 500. There, I'm all out there, so nice little $50 move right there. I'm going to try to trade this some more. Okay, I'm in on GoPro at 43.40. We'll look to sell at 43.50 or build a bigger position. You can see here, pretty big pullback, and it continues to pull back. Want to get 15, want to buy some more down there. If it can reach down to 15, I'm in there. So now I have a position at 48.28. Okay, look to need to buy some more. Try to get some at 67.70 if it wants to go back down in that area. I got all those. Now my average is 42. Try to pick some more up at 70. My average is 42.98. See if we can get back up above 43. Looks like 43 is offering some resistance. Not a huge surprise given that that's that round number there. And you can see I'm just scaling out right now. And all out, so made $123 on that trade. Probably got a little too anxious to scale out there. Remember, my average was 42.98, and I pretty much got a 7-cent score on the majority of my shares. Here you can see I got a bigger score there, and then my final two got out at 98, so a 20-cent score in my final 200 shares. And now you can see that I would have been doing much better, but of course I am speaking in hindsight. I should be looking to short right now. Let me see. I'm not even sure if I can short, so let me just throw out a test order, see if that's possible. Nope, not able to short. Very, very frustrating. Oh well, I'll take the 123 though, and then I'm going to crucify myself a little bit in hindsight. Could have gotten that much better. Look at that. Now I could have been getting out over here. Oh well. We're going to pick up some shares here of USU at 710. We'll look to sell those at 720 or build a bigger position on the pullback here. You can see strong move, and now it's starting to pull back. So, I like the, probabilities and such of building a position. I've actually already traded it once. I didn't catch it on video, but I did already trade it, like I said. Let's see down here. I'm looking at some other of the time frames. See if I can get another 300 down at 695. Like I said, very strong move up. Now it's pulling back some, so I feel comfortable, accumulating on the pullback here. Let's see if it can get back up to 20. or go lower so I can accumulate some more. I have two, and I am all out for what was that, another $30. So my first trade was 45. This one was 30. And I'm gonna try that again. Nice volume on this one. Nice volatility. 6. So if it wants to pull back below 7, I'll probably try to accumulate some more then. So I will keep you posted. Well, I was a little too slow to the Twitter pullback here. Where's that? 88. Have an order in at, I think I'm going to lower that down because I think if this falls some more, I'd rather get my entry point or building my entry position at a point that's that much more overextended for the chart. So we'll try 75. If it gets down there, I will keep you updated. Okay, we'll see if 75 can get hit here. Okay, I'm in. We'll look to sell at 82 or build a bigger position. Whichever comes first. Let me bring over the 5-minute. Actually, got to pay attention. Pick up some more at 60. If I could get some more, that'd be nice down there. So 60, I'll look to buy some more shares, or looking to sell at 82, although I may be adjusting that. Let me bring over the 5-minute chart so you can just see, I mean, I'm starting to form my position here. The chart is already well overextended. It has outpaced this moving average by quite a long shot. And I am just gonna change this to, well, I guess I'll give it a chance here to see if it wants to break up above 80. All right, I'm gonna, oh, okay, and that quick up above 80, so got my 7 cents there. Wasn't able to get anything more. So, oh well, let's see what else is out there moving. Let me try to capture one more. It is 10:28 a.m., so an hour into the day, and you can see, you know, I'm up 269, so not terrible for a summer morning, but you know, certainly nothing to brag about. I'll keep looking around. Okay, looking to pick up some GoPro at 42 even. It's either going to get a nice solid bounce for me, or it's going to just crash right down through. And we'll see what happens. So I'm in, looking to sell at 42.15. So let's see if we can get a decent sized bounce here. And the video is starting to run a little long here, so I will pause it and come back with any up. Okay, it really just kind of pushed down further on me, so I'm looking to pick some up at 41.55 and 41.60. So I got those at 41.60. My average is now 41.80. Would love to get those at 41.55. I think I'm going to try to pick some more up at 60 there. Again, my average is 41.80. So let's see if it can get back at least into the 90s. That would be solid. Okay, we're at 9 minutes. I'll let this run a little bit more. I'm going to look to try to scale out at 41.90 or above. I'm just going to do the 100 share lots again. So there, that's gone. You know, so there we go, slowly scaling out. Let's see what happens with this last 100 I have. See if I can push back up above 42. I just don't like how it's stalling. I'm just gonna get out right there. So there was another trade. Let me see. Don't wanna make sure I get my pending orders out of there. So there we go. So another nice trade. You know, didn't get that best. Like I said, either at 42 I was gonna get a nice size bounce, or it was gonna, you know, crash below on me, and it did indeed crash. But you know, just brought my position size down and scored another nice winner. So I'm gonna wrap things up. I'm at 357. It is 10:34 a.m. Eastern time. Man, I wish I could short this, but regardless, if you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with candlestick charts and level 2s, not necessarily looking to trade, you know, every 2 seconds like I am. That's the great thing about charts. They can be applied to whether you're looking to sell within a couple minutes like me, or a couple days, couple of hours, couple weeks. All they're doing is measuring emotion, and emotion in psychology take place at all, you know, time periods. So they truly are a great tool. So if you go to claytrader.com, go to the training section of the site, and you'll see all my courses there. Also have a live trading group. We have a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter with my scans. Everything's very fairly priced. So, you know, don't take my word for it, though. At the end of the day, you know, read some testimonials and just get a good third-party perspective. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something.